Alright guys, check this out. These are Terra chips. I need to get these at the health section in your grocery store, but if you look at them, this is Mediterranean flavored. They are vegetable chips. So, non-GMO, take a look. So you got some yucca, you got taro, parsnips in there. Check out the ingredients. If you guys want to read that, pause the video, and there it is right there. And let's open this up and do taste up here. There we go. That's what they look like. Check that out. Here's, I'm going to try them out. Really good, guys. Definitely check this out. Has a nice hint of salt and some nice spices in there. So, and they're crunchy, really crunchy. If you have any questions, comments, guys, please subscribe to the channel.